Welcome to the first ever I Know First weekly market review. Let's jump right into it. Hello, I Know First family. Welcome to our weekly update where we break down the latest market trends, highlight top AI driven stock picks, and get you ready for the week ahead. And trust me, you don't want to miss what we've got in store for you today. Let's kick things off with a special message from the I Know First CEO, Yaron Golger. At I Know First, we are proud to empower investors with AI driven stock market predictions. This week, I'd like to start by addressing some of our most frequently asked questions about our AI algorithm. What makes it unique? It's powered by chaos theory and self learning neural networks to forecast asset trends. It processes massive amounts of financial data daily, identifying patterns that help forecast asset price trends. How does it adapt? It adjusts models to align with market shifts, ensuring accuracy in any market, bull, bear, or sideways. How? We have constant new forecasts coming out daily, adapting to the market shifts. And who's using it? Everyone from private investors to hedge funds and major financial firms, institutions like Bank of America, Maytav Investment House, National Bank of Canada, and many more. Let's look at the overall market. As we can see on the left, the Dow Jones has slipped 1.8%, continuing its two week streak of the downward turn. In the middle, we have the S&P 500, also slipping 0.64%. It hit an all-time high, and now it's consolidating. Maybe it will continue to go up. However, the Nasdaq, on the other hand, is continuing to make new all-time highs. It went up 0.34% last week and is doing amazing. Now, let's look at something that's in the news a lot: quantum computing. If for those of you who don't know, quantum computing may be the next big thing. It has the chance to even become bigger than AI. Ever since Google came out with their quantum computing chip called Willow, all the quantum computing stocks have been rallying. As you see here, December 17th, this is the pre-market right now as we speak. RGTI 8% pre-market, 4% pre-market, 16% pre-market, 23% pre-market. It's amazing. And this is the returns from yesterday alone. So this is basically 2 days. Quantum computing stocks are going insane. The I know first algorithm has been on top of this new market trend and has capitalized on this opportunity. As we see here, these are all the top headlines for the top major financial firms. You have Forbes, Motley Fool, Seeking Alpha, Yahoo Finance, Wall Street Journal. They're all talking about quantum computing. It's the next big thing, and I know first is on top of that. As we see here, on December 11th, on a 3-day time frame, the I Know First came out with a forecast for the hedge fund stocks package. In this package, we had RGTI as one of the best stocks. In the 3 days, it went up 10.32%. It's amazing. In this package, how also it had stocks like Google, another quantum computing stock, 2.6% in the 3 days, and Amazon, 1% in 3 days. This entire forecast had an average return of 3.26% in just 3 days, beating the S&P 500. In this picture, in this chart, this is where I know first came out with this forecast, said to buy RGTI, and look what happened afterwards. It skyrocketed. Next, another big stock that boomed recently, AVGO, also known as Broadcom. 1 year ago, on December 11th, 2023, I know first came out with this forecast for the top 10 computer industry stocks. In this forecast, we have big players like AMD, Nvidia, LRCX. We also had AVGO, our stock that we're talking about. Here, in this 1 year time frame, it went up 94%. In this chart, this is where it came out with this forecast. It's said to buy. Look what happened afterwards. Absolutely amazing. Phenomenal. Okay. Something also to point out in this forecast, it also had Nvidia. So we are not talking about Nvidia right now, but I know first did predict Nvidia 193% return in 1 year. The last thing to notice about this forecast is the S&P 500 rallied 32.14% in just 1 year. That's an amazing year for the S&P. However, in this forecast, the I Know First average outperformed the S&P 500, doing 40.59% in just 1 year. Phenomenal. We love that. Here's some more recent forecasts and some big packages that we offer. On the left, we have the Robinhood's trades package, where we had a return up to 120.99% in just 3 months. It was Peloton, PTON. Peloton had did 120% in just 3 months. We had other big players like Palantir also do 86% in 3 months. It's amazing. Another package is the Buzz package. The Buzz package has all your favorite stocks in this package. Every big stock that's in the news, that has a lot of word, people are talking about this stock, it will be in this package. So we have stocks like MicroStrategy, Tesla, Bitcoin, Palantir, Coinbase, Affirm, Square, SoFi, Nvidia, Robinhood. All your favorite stocks will be in this package. In this 1 month time frame, on November 14th, Tesla rallied 32% in just 1 month. We all wish we bought Tesla a month ago. 32% in a month is amazing. I know first average 16%, while the S&P 1%. Now, in the last package we have is Tech Giants package. We had a return up to 62.44% in just 7 days. That's 1 week. Someone made 62% because they had our package. ASAN went up 62% in 7 days. The average for just 7 days this week 8.7%. Amazing. Really outperformed the S&P. Let's move on. Looking ahead, here are three potential picks for 2025. According to the AI algorithm, the XLK, which is the technology sector, has a high potential as to be one of the top sectors for 2025. As we see here, it had a big downturn and is rallying, but our AI algorithm says that it thinks it will continue to move up. Nvidia also had an amazing past couple of years. However, it's starting to take a downturn. Our AI algorithm is looking to take advantage of this lowering in price and and thinks it's going to move even higher. So it thinks now would be a good time to buy it. High potential after consolidation. Semiconductors, which Nvidia is part of the semiconductors. Our AI algorithm also sees that the semiconductors have fallen a lot. Now is consolidating, very similar to Nvidia. But when something consolidates, they either could go up or or it could go down after the consolidation. But our AI algorithm is telling us that it thinks it will move up, just like Nvidia. Thank you guys for listening. Tune in next week. Please like and subscribe. Follow us on our X account at I Know First. Visit our website, iknowfirst.com, and we'll see you next week. Thank you for listening.